In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Now, two-factor authentication is a great way to add an extra layer of security to your account, but there might be times when you need to disable it, perhaps for convenience or because you're switching to a different security method. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you want to start by opening Instagram. You can do this on either your desktop or mobile device, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you have Instagram open, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled More. This is typically located near your profile picture and username. Clicking on More will open up a menu with several options. From the menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Instagram account, including privacy and security settings. Click on Settings to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Settings menu, you need to find and click on Account Center. The Account Center is a centralized place where you can manage your Instagram account along with any connected accounts, like your Facebook account. It helps keep everything in one place for easier management. After entering the Account Center, look for the option that says Password and Security. By clicking on this, you will be directed to the area where you can manage your password and various security settings, including two-factor authentication. Now, in the Password and Security section, you should see an option for two-factor authentication. Click on that option to proceed. This is where you can manage the settings for two-factor authentication, which is a security feature that requires you to verify your identity with a second form of identification, usually a code sent to your phone or an authentication app. Once you're in the two-factor authentication settings, you will see the option to disable it. Disabling two-factor authentication means that you will no longer need to enter a code in addition to your password when logging in. It's important to consider the security implications of this decision since it will make your account more vulnerable to unauthorized access. If you are sure you want to proceed, simply follow the prompts to disable the feature. And that's it. You've successfully disabled two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. Remember, you can always enable it again if you change your mind or if you want to switch to a different method of two-factor authentication. Security is paramount, so always make sure your account is protected in a way that suits your needs best. Thanks for following along, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.